Welcome here in Wallet Recently ako nabulan kasi nakikita ko 1, 2, 3 mga envelopes na to. Lahat to nag-umpisa sa 0. Welcome here in Wallet Reset. I am a mother of 2 and I started to do cash staffing this year and I am following the Dave Ramsey's baby steps. I am in step number 1, which is building 60,000 buffer fund. So if you're looking for real numbers, real discipline, and real progress, you are here in the right channel. Okay, so ganun pa rin naman yung setup ko. Ito pa rin yung 2 wallets ko, tablet, para makita ko yung amount ko per category. Yeah, ginagamit ko yung Google Sheet lang. Simple lang. Bumili ako ng plant kasi halos sa lahat na napapanood ko, mayroong plant. And ito, peke lang to. 122, nakakatuwa. So, yun lang. Let's start with priority and debt fund. So, yes, priority and debt fund, nandito na siya sa wallet na to. Yung tights ko, I'm gonna cash in 800. Simula nung nag-tights ako, I've never had any problem with my finances. So, if you struggle with your finances and you haven't tried this, do it. Do it right, okay? Do it right. Genuine dapat yung pagbigay mo sa Panginoon, okay? So next would be emergency fund. Emergency fund, I'm gonna put here 1,500. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. Nag-deep ang aking ang emergency fund kasi nagkaroon ako ng sakit. I've mentioned last week na i-maximize ko yung yung yakap, but I've changed my mind because hindi ganun kagaling yung doctor namin dito sa center. So I've decided talaga na taasan yung budget for medical fund. And in the future, mag-invest ako sa HMO. Could you comment down below kung ano yung magandang HMO? School fund for next year and next year's enrollment. I'm gonna cash in 1,500. Okay, 1,500 na to. So let's see how much do we have now. Ang dami kong bariya. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. We already have 5, 4. So, kailangan kong bunuin is 18,000. Ayan. Until June, actually. Ika-cash in, i-deposit ko to sa video next week. Next, medical fund. As what I said, tinaasan ko ang aking nilalagay with medical fund. So, I'm gonna cash in 400 for this. So, we now have 1, 2, 3, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. Ito medical fund na to, specifically, ang purpose nito is pagkabigla ang nagkasakit. Yun lang, hindi para magpalinis ng ngipin or so on. Specific lang to para sa pagkabiglang may nagkasakit sa akin or sa mga anak ko. Now, SSS loan. Tingnan ko nga. Okay, SSS loan. Lalagay ko dito 700. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. Magbabayad ako mamaya. So, we now have 1,001. Okay, 1,700. Natural. Next, BDO. I'm gonna cash in 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 50. So, kailangan pa yung bayaran ng BDO credit card ko. Next month pa naman. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50. Okay. Very good. Contribution, nabigay ko na to actually kay mami kahapon. And then, school tuition fee, mag-resume to maybe in July, pagka pumapasok na ulit yung anak ko. For baby needs, I'm gonna cash in 500 for this week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kasi meron pa siyang gatas and milk. Kasi sorry. Meron pa siyang gatas and pampers. So, isang box pa yung pampers niya. Every month kasi, bumibili ako ng 152 pieces ng Huggies, tapos 2 kilos ng Nestogen. So, ganun siya. Magkano na ba yung fund? Bakit? Okay. Paano ba yung fund ko dito? So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Next. Skincare. Okay, variables na pala tayo agad. Okay, skincare. 280. 200. Gawin na lang natin 250. How much do we have here? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 400. Talagang 250 yung nilalagay ko dito kasi ito yung palaging nauubos. Mabilis maubos. Ganyan. Okay, next. Fun. Itong fun na to, dedicated ko to para sa a-attendan kong live viewing ng concert ng BTS. So, syempre, ayoko naman ng bigla-biglang huhugot lang kung saan na wallet. So, syempre, I wanted to be prepared dahil hindi naman mura yung popcorn and then yung coke doon, di ba, ang mahal-mahal. I now have 270. This week, maglalagay ako ng 200. So, now we now have 470. Okay na to siguro. So, fully funded ko na yung aking fund for live viewing sa BTS. And it will be on April 18. Actually, yes, ang tagal pa. Sana bumili pala ako ng earlier na ticket, no? Subscription, I stopped all of my subscription for this week. Wala akong babayaran as far as I know. And then next would be the food. Wait lang. With the food, maglalagay lang ako ng 100 for this week. Bumili ako ng buldak nung panganay ko kahapon. Nire-request niya matagal na. Sineseparate ko yung food fund ko dahil ito yung, oh my gosh, every time kasi talaga nai-stress ako, talagang kain or bibili ako ng sugary drinks. Since nasasabotage ko tong mga wallet na to kapag nandoon yung wallet or yung envelope ng aking food fund is sineparate ko na siya talaga totally. Ito, nasa cabinet. Ito, nilalagay ko lang doon sa may catch-all kong basket. So, simula nung ginawa ko yun, hindi ko na nasabotage yung aking sinking fund, especially the emergency fund. And it helped me na maging consistent. So, if you're also struggling, na nagsasabotage mo yung sarili mo, pagka nagkakaroon ka ng heightened emotion, do it. Because out of sight, out of mind, okay? Nagkakaroon ka ng discipline. Ay, wala na akong pera. Okay. So, you're gonna pause. Ganyan. We have extra fund. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. Okay. So, yung fund na to is ilalagay ko sa importante na funds. which are tights, emergency fund, school fund. Okay, let's start. Dagdagan natin yung tights natin. So, dagdagan natin ng 100. 170. So, Sunday bukas. And ibibigay ko yung tights ko for last week and this week. Hindi ako nakapunta ng church last week dahil nga nagkasakit ako. Maglalagay ako ng 400 each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Emergency fund, we now have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600. Okay, next, all of it na is for enrollment for next year. Again, ang binapuno ko dito is 18,000 until June. So, I need a great discipline talaga. Now, if you've enjoyed this channel and you have high financial IQ but lack of discipline, join me doing the cash staffing kasi alam mo, itong mga envelopes na to, lahat to nag-umpisa sa 0 and nakita mo naman yung progress. Kaka-start ko lang this year. Okay, sabay natin i-build ang financial discipline natin, okay? So, is building our 60K buffer fund as step 1 sa Dave Ramsey's baby step. Okay, so, meron pa pala ako. 70 cash, lagay na natin dito. Okay, so, thank you for watching my video. I enjoyed this week's cash staffing. Nabubulot pa ako. I'll see you next week. Again, join me, okay? Bye-bye!